Okay, let's have a look here at this question. That's the equation of the circle. Find the center and the radius. All right, well, the first thing I'm going to have to do is expand it. So that's going to be x squared plus 10x plus 21 plus y squared minus 4 equals 0. So that would be x plus 5 squared minus 4 plus y plus 0 squared minus 4. So that's x plus 5 squared plus y plus 0 squared equals 8. Would have preferred a square number. So the center is minus 5, 0 with a radius of 2 root 2. 7, 3, 10, 21. So x plus 5, x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 4 is 21. Y difference of 2 squares. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay. Well, let me know in the comments if there's a mistake. Oh, I've seen this proof many times now. The equation of the tangent. Okay, so we'll jump in by getting the derivative. 2x plus 2y dy dx equals 0. That means the y dx equals minus x over y. The equation of the line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 multiplied by y. You get y1 minus y1 squared. Careful now, I'm going a bit too fast. I'm multiplying by y. So y squared minus y1 equals minus x squared plus x1. So you'll get, by rearranging, you get x1 plus y1 equals x squared plus y squared, which is r squared. Okay. The x-axis is tangent to the circle. Show that g squared equals c. The x-axis is a tangent. So that means the circle is sitting on the x-axis, either just above it or just below it. Something like that. Okay, so do I want to use a derivative? Let's just see what happens if I differentiate. Might not go anywhere. 2x plus 2y dy dx plus 2g plus 2f dy dx equals 0. dy dx will equal minus 2x minus 2g. Actually, I could have cancelled the 2's over 2y plus 2f. Well, I get rid of the 2's and it's 0. It's 0 when y is 0. No, that doesn't help. I don't think that helps anyways. When y is 0, it should intersect the x-axis only once. So the discriminant needs to be 0. So that means b squared minus 4ac should equal 0. So g squared equals c. Okay, good. Job done. So now, the last part, the x-axis is a tangent to the circle k at the point 3, 0, and that point is on the circle. Find the equation of k. Alright, so let's draw that. So the x-axis is a tangent at the point 3, 0, and the point minus 1, 4 it's going to be, I've drawn my scale a bit too small there. So I'm guessing the circle would look like that, and I think there can only be one possibility here. So, yeah, I have the equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g squared equals 0. I have 2 points I can just sub in. So if I sub in the first point, 3, 0, I get 9 plus 6g plus g squared equals 0. So I think this is g plus 3 squared equals 0. So I have g equals minus 3. And that would actually make c equal to 9 if I care to know that. But I need to get the f still. So if I sub in the other point now, so that would be 1 plus 16, and then g is minus 3, so that's minus 6 times minus 1 is plus 6, plus 2fy, so plus 8f, plus g squared plus 9. Hope I'm doing this right in my head, equals 0. So 16 and 6 is 24. No, it's not. It's 22. 22, 23. 23 and 9 is 32. That's good. So that means f would be minus 32 over 8. Minus 4. So I think I have the circle. It's going to be x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 8y plus 9 equals 0. Now the way I could know that I'm right is by making sure those 2 points satisfy the equation. So let's quickly check. 3, 0. 3 squared is 9. 9. I just got my I don't have my calculator. Alright, fine. 9 plus 0 minus 18 is minus 9. Yeah, okay, so the first one works. And then minus 1, 4. 1 plus 16 is 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 minus 32 is minus 9 plus 9 is 0. Fantastic. Yeah, okay, I think that's finished. All right, this wasn't too bad, I guess. Hopefully I didn't make any mistakes. It took me slightly less time than usual for these questions, not even at the 10-minute mark. So yeah, I guess this is a pretty decent question.